उससे बेटर है, पैसे वेस्ट हो रहे हैं, आपका टेस्ट हो रहा है, आप बिल्कुल ठीक है।
You're not going to look away. Look at that while. That chemo is healing you. So bless that chemo.
ठीक है ना, टेस्ट हो गया, क्या ठीक था ना, देखो डॉक्टर ने ऐसे ही टेस्ट कराया। आपको नहीं अंदाजा है कि वो कितनी बड़ी खुशी है कि आपके टेस्ट में कुछ नहीं आया। Ask us how hard it is. I'm so sorry. कितना हार्ड है वो रिपोर्ट पढ़ना, वो घंटे, when you get that report and you go to your doctor and the doctor diagnoses you with certain things. उससे बेटर है, पैसे वेस्ट हो रहे हैं, आपका टेस्ट हो रहा है, आप बिल्कुल ठीक है, इससे बड़ी खुशी कोई नहीं है। पैसा वेस्ट नहीं हुआ है। So I decided मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, what can I do in this journey? किसी ने मुझे बोला कि this happened to you because God wanted you to use this proverbial megaphone in my capacity, जितने भी लोगों को मैं inspire कर सकती हूँ, and which is why you got this. This is one way to look at it, and I want to look at it like that. Probably my journey can help someone, inspire someone. So I thought, okay, let me normalize it. Let me start talking about it. Let me tell people how I dealt with it, or how am I dealing with it. What am I doing? What am I eating? Important part, a very, very crucial part in this journey. It's a very, very long journey. The right frame of mind, your mental health plays a very, very, very important part. I remember when I started, I was too scared to even look. You know, when they used to, आप सबको पता ही होगा जब हम कीमो लगने वाला होता है तो आइस बॉक्स में एक चीज़ आती है जिससे आप बहुत डरते हैं. I used to like look away. I remember मेरे 2 कीमो infusions में I just used to look away and I just कर दो please. I just don't want to even look at it. But I realized, after my 2 cycles, I realized, what am I doing? If I have to love everything around, then I have to love and bless my treatment as well. And then I decided, Hina, you're not going to look away. Look at that while. That chemo is healing you. So bless that chemo. Bless it. My doctors tell me that human body is miraculous, and I believe him. As I said, apart from treatment, our bodies have a secret register. I truly, truly, completely believe in it, that we have a secret register. If we do positive things, think positively, do everything in a positive manner, no matter what the situation is, how the situation is, the good cells in our body, trust me, the good cells in our body, they listen to us. I believe that this positivity somehow reaches